Well, it's not messy now. It was this morning. Got a train rolling north. ELS 503 out front, it looks like. Huh. That guy had no care in the world. Looks like a pretty hefty train behind him. First hefty train going north in a long time. One it is. Weird, I did not hear them at Ultra Metal. Yeah, you can definitely tell the difference in engineers by their horn blows. That is a new engineer in training, pretty sure. Holy mackerel, look what we got here. We got, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4 mega log haulers. Yeah, it's the first hefty sized train going north in a long time. Glad I got out here to get it for you guys. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, make a comment below. Just wanted to get that out of the way. I feel like that's the only thing I really say every single time in every single video. Other than this was the Escanaba and the Lake Superior Railroad. And I'm standing in East Kingsford, Michigan. Oh, look at this. Holy mega log hauler that is. Look at that. Wow. That is truly a mega log hauler there. Hey, Freddie. All right, guys. You guys have a great day, eh?